Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain few tips you need to know or should know as a mechanic or a car owner. So I'm going to explain to you the difference between this channel not working and the difference of the fuel injectors not working. You can see that we have three injectors here, the first, second, and third, and also same we have here. So this work with this channel, this to this to this. And inside of this, we have valve that connect both or link each of the channels together. So let's say the plug is not working. If the plug is not working and the car is on, you just have to remove. And once you remove like this, assuming the car was vibrating before you removed the coil, it will still keep vibrating in as much as this channel is not working. So that's how to spot that the fault is from this channel. But if the channels are working but not active, if it's working but not active, then you have to suspect the fuel injectors. So this is how you really confirm if it's the fuel injector that is causing it. If you depress the pedal here, once you depress this pedal, before it would accelerate, it will first of all jerk. It will first of all jerk. So if your car jerk before accelerating, that means the fault is from the fuel injectors. Yeah, so you just have to lose and you service using the carburetor choke and cleaner. So this is what we use in servicing each of these. So like I said, if you depress the pedal and it jerks before accelerating, that means the fault is from this. So but if it's just shaking constantly, then you have to suspect the plug. Also, we have the master flow sensor. Let me show you. So this is the master flow sensor. If this master flow sensor is bad, when you want to accelerate for the first time, it will not shake, neither jerk. But what will happen is the acceleration won't be clear enough. The acceleration will be clearer enough. That is how to suspect that the mass airflow sensor is bad. And also, if the car is just jerking constantly, yeah, it's like you've checked the coils and the nozzle and they are working very well. You just have to clean the injector using the carb and choke. Yeah, just clean inside the injectors. You can see this is it. You just have to clean and you will see that everything will come to normality. So like I said earlier, you're welcome to the channel. Here I share my real car experience and all of others. So you can see any question you have, you can drop and I'll be here to answer. So cleaning this, and you can see that we have the temperature switch inside. Okay, this is the temperature switch, and this temperature switch that you're seeing right there are almost the same. Look at it. This you're seeing here, this temperature switch. So the function of this and this are almost the same, like the symptom when each of them is bad. The same thing applied here. To tell if the temperature switch is bad is you just have to disconnect the connector, disconnect this connector. So if there is no sign when you disconnected the wires, that means it's bad. But if it's working, once you disconnect, you will notice that the engine will start shaking or vibrating. So that's how to tell also that the temperature switch is good. See you guys in the next video. Hope you found the video helpful. Do well to like and comment your opinion.